So if you're some guy over 40 and you can't figure out how to get your model 113.243300 back together. I saw how you took that thing apart and I wouldn't have went that far. But anyway, so here's kind of the breakdown. I think the upper section here is what you were having trouble putting back together. I didn't see in there the spring for that adjuster arm. But what was it here? And then you got all the part numbers down here. This should probably correspond with the images up in here. So you got that. And then here's the other section here. So you can kind of see in that picture, that whole top section there. So those are all the parts and pieces that are supposed to be in there. So if you're looking up in here, there's no real, you were asking about a spring, and there's a hole there. Makes it look like there should be a spring, but all it does is it sits, it's going to be hard to see. It just sits on this washer here. So there's this washer up in here, and the back of this arm just sits on that. So really the only thing that sets where that goes, so this is the 1/2 inch wide blade, so we got it set at 1/2 inch, is how many turns you put on this to get the spring compressed for that. So I think this, the only spring I can see in the system is this one. Focus. There you go. So you look in there how that's all put together. Bottom's pretty simple. And like I said, here's the breakdown out of the book. It's probably about as good as you're going to find on the breakdown of how that all goes. And right there is, you can follow the lines of pieces there. How it all goes back together. Yeah, I know that, like the bottom section here, that's, you're kind of on your own there. I don't know, that's focus. There you go. But anyway, that's kind of all the bits and pieces of one of these Craftsman 12-inch bandsaw sanders. Again, lots of parts. Good luck getting yours back together. Here's kind of the blade selection for size of circle you'd like to cut. And you can see my other video for how to adjust the guide blocks.